Good morning, scholars. Here I offer a preview of our continuation of the literary survey of second aorist verbs, the full video being available on my Patreon site to my supporters, and that link will be found in the description. So again, this video continues to exposit section 594 of Smythe, where the second passive is the only aorist passive formed in attic, and we visit the change from epsilon to alpha, and then we display the verbs smoke, destroy, grow, rejoice, and then we demonstrate smoke through Lysistrata of Aristophanes, and Hαίρω through a passage in Thucydides, and then Puo from the Gospel of Luke. Very happy to have a New Testament bit here. And then finally, χαίρω we're going to display through Plato's Republic, where he concludes his critique of poetry. And so since you needed context, I gave you the context. That previous thing, this previous thing is Waterfield's summary of the whole section, because this passage doesn't make much sense if you don't know the argumentative context, and that's Republic, page 606. And then finally, because χαίρω is an interesting verb, I give you the whole entry, the first part of it, and explain what that interest is. Then I again give you the verbs and end with a wonderful picture of Plato. So that is a preview. Please do visit my Patreon site if you're serious about learning Greek. And I will see you again soon. Goodbye. Have a good day.